Welcome. Today I am showing how to create a horizontally scrollable content like this one. This one is there. Here a button. If I click the button, or although I can scroll it with finger, or and here are the another one. We can scroll it by mouse or task, or if I click here, then it's horizontally doing scroll. So now I will show how to create component like this. So this is the main component. So I'm going to create another component here again. So first I think that what I need a I need like a frame or this card. So this is a fixed frame and I need just a card. So I can make this way. Simply suppose this is our content container, and here is some text, and here is a description or anything else. Okay, so now we need to create the scrollable component. So I need to insert a frame. This is for the scrollable content container. Or we can put here image, or we can keep anything into this frame like text, image. So I'm doing this. So now I have to run a plugin for insert image. I'm running on Splash. Just a second. Running. Okay. Okay. Like this image inserted here. And here have the text, or I'm just doing it's like a wireframe, or when you will be do you can keep anything or shield it. So this is the frame one, and it's another one. Okay, so let's click on it. So I can make sure this auto layout, or just I can make sure this to into auto layout. Okay, now they are into auto layout. So I have to duplicate them. Okay, duplicated, and I'm running the plugin again for make a sense with various images. Okay, now images are set and these are looking different card and we can justify it. So I'm removing the auto layout from this frame. Okay. So it's now its width is now fixed. It's with fixed width. So I'm moving this to here for creating component. Now I have to create component for when I will be scroll them. So I'm going to put a here a no scroll and now I am fixing it with horizontal scroll. So let's check the horizontal scroll and if I set no scroll then it's fixed no scroll. So I fixed it with horizontal scroll. Okay, now I'm creating component. This is the component and now creating variations. If I use button here then I have to move it like here. I have to move. So I just forgot to use a button. We can keep a simple button here like this one and it's on. Okay, now let me make it pop. Okay, now let's not upsetting. Okay. Okay, and I'm moving them to this frame. Just now, as same as I'm doing them, making for four. Okay, now I'm moving them to left. Okay, done. Now we can check this. We can check this with my prototype. So when I'm clicking button, it's not working because I have not added any connections with prototype. and there are some mistake for this prototype, this item, and I'm going to prototype mode, and it's called with parent, and now I have to fix it with fix stay in place, stay in place. So look, now it's working well, and no. So now I have to add a prototype for with this with this connection. If I click this button, then it will be redirect to this, and this one will be to this, and HMS this are back. So now fill this screen. It's calling, and we also can make it with our finger or mouse. So maybe I have missed here some somehow. We can add a smart animation. Therefore, this is instant, and we can add a smart animate. So now it's doing perfectly. I hope it's working perfectly. Okay, so it's the first one is this, and we have a another scrollable like this one, and it this one has with this one is not made with component. Look here, this one is not made with component. Here I have created a main component for left and right is called, look the changes here, for left and right is called, and I made it with prototype. Like if I click if I click to this, and then will be redirect to here, and simply I can create it. Okay, so now I can put this, duplicate it, and put this here. Okay, and fill this screen. Now it's working perfectly, I think. And guys, you can made it as you need with your content. So I have to duplicate it. This is just a content box, and if you want, you can create a simple frame, or this will be main component, because if I create here, if I create here anything for left and right side is called, and after that, if I feel I have to change the color of the scroll bar or anything, then I have to select all of them. And here, if I create the main component, and if I change just to this color, then it will be changed to all screen like our previous here. Here I have here. Oh, just now if I set this to 1% transparent, then now everything is okay. So I'm creating a main component here for, and now paste it to inside here. This is for left side, and this one is for, and this one is for right side. So now if I change the main component color, it will be changed. Okay, now I am changing it to 1%. Okay, but now I need to work on it. Therefore, I am keeping them visible and make duplicate of it. Okay, so I can duplicate images from here. So I have to detach the component. It detached, and removing the unnecessary things. We don't need it. Just me. Let me do this. Okay, completed. Now paste it to each frame. Okay, it's done. Now I can select it with a auto layout or just a frame. Now it's time to add interactions here. If I click, if I click this one, this will be scroll here, and if I click to this one, it will be scroll to here, and it will be to here. Okay, and we don't have need to this on because we have not more content on our right side. So I'm removing this, and here I have not more content on left side because I'm removing this. Okay, so now make connections with it. Scroll to, yeah, we did it, maybe perfectly we did it. So now I have to check it. Oh, so this frame is not fixed, width is not fixed, so I have to fix it with our according to this 8 faces. So and we can make it clip content, and now check this one. Okay, we need more space for check, right? So now check this one. We can, this is not scrollable, or keep we can keep here a scroll overflow horizontal. We can also keep it horizontal, or if we click this, then there's a Sorry, maybe this are not it. I have forgot to add a. I have forgot to add smart animation. So this is it's it's not animate. Now play this, and if we click this, they are scrolling fine. And if we have more content, then we can create simply like this. And I think this both of these are all fine. And here the this is not made with component, right? So we can duplicate this for we can duplicate this for use anywhere. Simple. We have another screen of this for make a test. We don't need to create again. So I have to change it color to 1%. Okay. So this on. Now it's working fine now. It's working fine. It's scrolling. If I tap this or we can remove it here. So I think this on can be act very well, or we can keep this on. The user can click right or left button for make changes, or scroll left, right, right. So that's it. I i think I have created it very well. So thank you so much.